Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey through one of Southeast Asia's most captivating countries, Vietnam. From its stunning natural wonders to its rich cultural heritage, Vietnam offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So, pack your bags and let's dive into the top destinations you must visit in Vietnam. Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to take you on a virtual tour of Vietnam. We'll explore the vibrant cities, serene landscapes, and everything in between. Let's start our adventure in the northern part of the country. Northern Vietnam. Our journey begins in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. Known for its centuries-old architecture and rich culture, Hanoi is a blend of the old and the new. One of Hanoi's most iconic landmarks is Hon Kiem Lake. It's not just a scenic spot but also a place steeped in legend. The lake's name, which means Lake of the Returned Sword, comes from a fascinating story about a magical sword that was returned to the Golden Turtle God. Next, let's visit the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university. Founded in 1070, this temple is dedicated to Confucius and honors Vietnam's scholars and sages. From Hanoi, we travel to the stunning Ha Long Bay. Known for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands, Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A cruise here is a must-do, offering activities like kayaking, cave exploring, and enjoying fresh seafood. Our next stop is Sapa, a mountain town known for its breathtaking rice terraces and vibrant ethnic minority communities. Trekking through the terraced fields and visiting local villages offers a glimpse into the traditional way of life. Ninh Binh, often referred to as Ha Long Bay on land, is our next destination. The Trang An Landscape Complex is another UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring stunning karst landscapes and picturesque boat rides through caves and rivers. Central Vietnam. Welcome to Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam. Hue is known for its historic sites, including the Imperial City, a vast complex of palaces, temples, and gates that was once home to the Nguyen emperors. Another must-see in Hue is the Thien Mu Pagoda, the tallest pagoda in Vietnam. Overlooking the Perfume River, this iconic pagoda is a symbol of the city. Next, we head to Da Nang, a coastal city known for its sandy beaches and vibrant nightlife. My Key Beach is perfect for sunbathing and water sports, while the Marble Mountains offer stunning views and fascinating caves to explore. Hoi is a charming town that seems frozen in time. The ancient town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its well-preserved architecture, lantern-lit streets, and vibrant markets. If you visit during the Lantern Festival, you'll witness the town illuminated by thousands of colorful lanterns. Our final stop in central Vietnam is Phong Nha Ke Bang National Park. This park is home to some of the world's most spectacular caves, including Sun Dong, the largest cave in the world. Exploring these caves is an adventure you won't forget. Southern Vietnam. Our journey continues to the dynamic Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon. This city is the economic hub of Vietnam and offers a mix of historical sites and modern attractions. In Saigon, don't miss Ben Thanh Market, where you can shop for local goods and try delicious street food. The War Remnants Museum provides a sobering look at the Vietnam War through powerful exhibits and photographs. The Mekong Delta, known as the Rice Bowl of Vietnam, is famous for its lush landscapes and bustling floating markets. A river cruise here lets you experience the local way of life, with visits to fruit orchards, rice paddies, and traditional workshops. Our final destination is Phu Quoc Island, a tropical paradise known for its pristine beaches and clear waters. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, snorkeling in coral reefs, or visiting the Vin Pearl Safari, Phu Quoc offers something for everyone. Travel tips. Before you go, here are some travel tips to help you plan your trip to Vietnam. The best time to visit depends on the region, but generally, the spring, February to April, and autumn, August to October, are ideal. Make sure to check visa requirements for your country and consider getting a multi-entry visa if you plan to explore neighboring countries. Getting around Vietnam is relatively easy, with options like domestic flights, trains, buses, and motorbikes. For longer distances, flights are the most convenient, while trains offer a scenic way to travel. One of the highlights of traveling in Vietnam is the food. From pho and banh mi to fresh spring rolls and seafood, Vietnamese cuisine is diverse and delicious. Don't miss the chance to try local dishes in each region. Vietnam is also rich in cultural traditions and festivals. The Lunar New Year, or Tet, is the most important holiday, celebrated with family gatherings, special foods, and vibrant decorations. Other festivals, like the Mid-Autumn Festival and the Hue Festival, offer unique cultural experiences. When visiting Vietnam, it's important to respect local customs and etiquette. Dress modestly when visiting temples, always remove your shoes before entering someone's home, and be mindful of your behavior in public spaces. Vietnam is a country that captivates the heart and soul of every traveler. From its bustling cities and serene landscapes to its rich culture and warm hospitality, there's so much to explore and experience. I hope this guide inspires you to visit Vietnam and create your own unforgettable memories. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Vietnam.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a